stop overcomplicating trading. Trading is not so hard. And I'm going to tell you why. A lot of you guys think you need to work on the technical analysis for 3, 4, 5 fucking years. But I'm trading for 4.5 years. And 100% the first year for me was not so beautiful, was not so profitable the journey, let's say. But the first year teach me a lot of stuff, which in the second year of my trading, I started to be profitable. And I'm going to tell you that. And when I say I start to get profitable, that doesn't mean I start to make 10K per month. I start to make profit like every month, every 2 months. That was a great performance, right? So the reason you guys make trading so hard for yourself, it's because you think you need to be perfect. And I'm going to tell you why you don't need to be perfect. Because there is no perfection in the market. There is no perfection in the market. Because market is not 100%. You're trading in a market that there is no 100%. There is no, 100% price going to go up, 100% price going to come down. There's nothing behind it. But strategies still work, The thing I want you guys understand is all the strategy work. If, you have two paths. You have two paths. You can experience it yourself, or you can listen to me and you can apply it to your trading journey and you can basically be profitable fast as possible. The third thing you should do is you should look for the strategy. You should learn a technical analysis method or strategy. We call this a strategy that is matched with your trading personality. I see a lot of scalpers that they try to learn a day trade, let's say a strategy which is basically focused on day trading, and they are not get profitable. And I see a lot of day traders, they focus on a scalp strategy and they are not get profitable. See, there is a paradox here. So the first thing you should do is you should put the time, put the energy and learn a strategy that is matched with your, let's say, trading personality. Now you're going to ask, Ebol, how do I know that the strategy I'm going to learn is matched with my trading personality? So the first thing first is the strategy, actually, are you comfortable with that strategy? Is everything make sense for you? Is that strategy mechanical? If yes, cool, you're going to learn it, right? The main key here is comfortability, right? You should be comfortable with that strategy. If you're not comfortable, change the strategy. Why are you wasting time? And the next thing you should understand, there is no perfection in the market. No one is perfect in the market. Even your famous guru, even the famous guru that you think that he's not perfect. You're going to still take a stop loss. You're going to still go to drawdown. You're going to still blow a con once you get profitable. But the difference between that, with your current stage, a profitable trader, once he's in drawdown, he know what he's going to do. He's confident. He don't give a shit. He experienced this a lot of fucking time. He know his strategy is working. He know basically the risk management he's putting is working. So he's not basically overthinking anymore. He's not trying to be perfect. That's the main thing. But a lot of you guys, after 2 stop loss, the first thing you're gonna think for is like, let me change my strategy. Maybe the problem is the strategy. The problem is not with the strategy. There is nothing wrong with the strategy you're working. Flip the coin. Just put a coin and flip it. Flip the coin and buy and sell. That's it. If you have a perfect risk management, if you have a perfect psychology mastery, I call it, you're going to be profitable. Because again, the market is not 100%. And that doesn't mean that market is gambling like it's a 50-50%. No, that doesn't mean the market is not, let's say, it's like gambling. No. You need to learn a good strategy that makes sense, that is matched with your trading personality and you're comfortable with. And after that, the only thing you need to do, just be consistent. Just be consistent. You know why 98% of the traders fail? Because they are not consistent. They are not consistent. They're wasting their time, they're wasting their energy to just change their strategy, learn another strategy, pay for another mentorship, pay for another course. And this is a fucking loop. This is a fucking loop the guru has put in your mind so you be perfect. Go and check my fucking Instagram story. You're gonna see I post my stop loss. Check my last fucking YouTube video that I lost all of my profit in the November. And in December, I lost all of my profit that I made in the November because of my psychology mistake. I'm profitable. I'm 400K funded and I still made mistake. But you know what is the difference between me and you? I'm not changing my strategy. I don't touch that foundation that I built and make me a lot of money. That's the main difference between me and you. That's the main thing here, right? But let's say if you had 2 stop loss in a row, the first thing you're gonna do is, let me change my strategy. Maybe the problem is in the strategy. Maybe if I go with the ICT, or if I go with the smart money, if I choose this and blah, blah, if I go with this strategy, I'm gonna be perfect. But that's just 100% bullshit. That's it, bro. You need to be consistent. You're watching this video because you're looking for some, I don't know, mystery, secret thing. I mean, there's no mystery here, man. The only mystery is consistent. You should be consistent. Learn a fucking strategy, be a man, go to backtest, and in the backtest, open your fucking eye. A lot of you guys backtest like a fucking bot or fucking geek, which is not gonna help you. Open a backtest and say, okay, this is the concept. If I'm taking 2 stop loss because of this equal low, then let me just say, let me just don't take that trade. That strategy is not working on that market condition. If you're taking a stop loss in the, let's say, London session, bro, don't trade London session. Simple as that. And you're gonna increase the win rate. You should be smart. You should put a lot of time in the backtesting to refine the strategy that you learn. And after that, go with the forward test. Once you go with the forward test, okay, you see a small result. When I say small result, what I mean, oh shit, it's raining. It's raining. Nice. It's raining here. It's the first time here they're learning. Anyway, the key thing here is be consistent, learn a strategy, and be a fucking man. And the only thing you need to be consistent. Man, you don't need anything to be perfect because there is no perfection in the market. It's raining here. I'm getting fucked up. Go in the car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, let me in the comments.